All right, so now we're going to run some descriptive statistics. So we're going to go up here to Analyze. We're going to go over here to Descriptive Statistics, go down to Descriptives, and then we want to get words recalled and age over into this variables column. And you notice we don't see sex. We'll have to do that differently because it is a nominal level of measurement, and it's words, right? It's not, and even though condition is nominal, it's got numbers, so we can't run males versus females here in this type of descriptive. So we go to option. You just want to make sure mean is selected, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, standard error of the mean. And in some cases you might want some other things, but that's all we need for today. And I'm going to click continue, and I'm going to click OK. And this is what happens. We now have 74 participants in the two groups. We have a mean statistics and a maximum. So the maximum number of words recalled was 18. We have a mean statistics, so 9.53 words were recalled on average by the participants. We have a standard error and a standard deviation. We have age. Remember, there was a couple of those data sets that we had to that were moved automatically because they weren't just a number. The minimum is 18, so the minimum age was 18. Maximum age 42 of the participants that are included. The average age was 23.72. We have a standard error and a standard deviation. So now I'm going to go back up to Analyze. I want to get that gender information, and I'm going to go to Frequencies, and I'm going to click on Sex, and I'm going to click that over here, and then I'm going to click OK. I have a frequency for males, so that's the number of females, the number of males, the number prefer not to say gives me a percentage, and it gives me a cumulative percent. All right, so I'm going to have you calculate one more thing because I want you to have some data that you can make a graph with. So we're going to go up here. We want to compare condition 1 to condition 2. So we're going to go up here to Analyze, go to Compare Means, click on Means, and now we have to pick our independent versus our dependent list. So our independent variable is what we manipulated, and that was how the participants responded to the words, and that's our condition is coded that way. We want to put in here the number of words recalled, and we may as well put age in there as well. Sex won't pop out properly. And we want to go over here, and right now I have mean, number of cases, standard deviation. I also want to get standard error of the mean in there. And you might be interested in some of this other stuff in a different study, but this is good for now. We're going to click OK. And now I have the information I need to make a graph, and I need to get it into Excel. So here we have, for our sound and form condition, the mean words recalled was 8.55. For meaning, it was 12.37. That is a difference. So whether it would be significant or not, we'd have to do a t-test. We're not going to do that here today. We see the mean age was 22.92 and 25.95. Here's our standard deviation, our standard error,